Every year, something amazing happens in Flower Garden Bank's National Marine Sanctuary. About a week after the August full moon, some corals in the sanctuary release billions of egg and sperm bundles in what some describe as an underwater snowstorm. The bundles float to the surface to release the eggs and sperm. There, the eggs are fertilized and begin to drift with the currents. Over time, drifting eggs develop into tiny coral larvae and grow for a time before settling to the bottom to establish new coral colonies. Many of the larvae travel far and wide before settling, helping build reefs, both within the sanctuary and beyond its boundaries. These mass spawning events allow genetic mixing and distribution of offspring over large distances. The sheer volume of eggs released at one time means that enough larvae will survive to ensure the future of the species. Corals are not the only marine animals that mass spawn. Researchers are learning that sponge and brittle star spawning events are nearly as predictable and just as spectacular. At Flower Garden Bank's National Marine Sanctuary, we learn more about coral, sponge, and other animal spawnings each year. These events offer us clues about the health of sanctuary reefs, which in turn affects the health of the region. The animals of the Flower Garden Banks are not only providing future generations for our sanctuary, but for reef systems throughout the Gulf of Mexico.